Why Box? Box is important because Box is different than other cloud storage systems such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive. Why? Because Box has a metadata attribute mechanism. Here you can see the Box plans. It comes with Business Plus and Enterprise only. You can see these feature table, and here metadata and custom templates. This is the one we are looking for. What is metadata? Metadata is helping us to add an attribute, set of attributes, so you can easily search the documents, files, not only search but also filter, and you create a subset with the help of search mechanism according to these attributes. So that means with the help of metadata templates, you have a enterprise content management system. It's not only a file storage system, but also an enterprise content management system. And Capturefast can send the file, captured file, and can populate the captured data into these metadata templates. Again, if you want to use the metadata templates mechanism in Box, you must be using the Business Plus plan in Box account. Now, let's go to my Box account, and I'm going to show you the some pre-made content. Here, this is my folders in Box. I have several folders here. I will switch to admin console, and when I go to the admin console, you can see the content here. When you click on the content, you can create the metadatas here. In metadata tab, you can see I already have some metadata templates here. The physician and the emergency medical form metadata templates are the ones I'm going to use in this demonstration. When you go into the emergency medical form, you can see I created all of them one by one. The code, student name, last name, all of them is here, and you can change the name and the format. This is number, and some of them is text, date, probably text, date, and number only. I don't remember. Let's create a new attribute, and we can select. Oh, okay. There's another drop down list boxes we have, so the system can map the list boxes. So let's go and delete this, and let's go to the account, leave. I didn't change anything. And in the folder list, in the storage area, I have a folder named as medical. So the Capturefast is going to send the files into the medical folder. Now it's empty. Let's go to Capturefast and start processing. You remember in the previous one of those previous videos, we have a famous document template named student emergency medical document. I'm going to use the same. Let's go to the field section first. You can see we have about 20 fields already designed here, and we will go to the destination step and try to connect Box account. I clicked the Box connector, and you can connect Capturefast with your existing account into Box. Grant access. Okay, it's granted. Let's test the connection. Yes, the connection is okay. And now select the destination folder. You can see these folders are coming from my Box account. I'm going to use the medical folder. And I already designed a name. You can see that we can use the captured fields as the file name. So you can design your file name for the image or the extracted data. I am not going to use any JSON or XML, any separated file for the extracted data, because we have metadata templates here. So I can map one by one here. On the left side, you can see these attributes are coming from box. I'm going to use physician and medical and emergency medical form. So I'm gonna open in detail. You can see these are the attributes. These are the field types, and the empty column is the Capturefast values. I'm going to select one by one. Here, when I click one of those lines, the system populates here. You can choose some default values. For example, these are the first block is default values, and the unique ID, document date. These are all internally created. Who captured, who verified. These are coming from the database of Capturefast itself. But when you go to the page and field section, you can see that the fields we designed together. Now it was the code. I'm going to click code here, and now the code in metadata is matched with the code in Capturefast. This student name is student name, student last name, birth date, birthday, grade, grade, and the social security number, it was the state ID. The student address is the address, I guess. Yep, here, this one. Emergency form is the form here. The insurance company, health insurance company. Insurance no is the insurance number. Allergies, it's coming from allergies. So you remember that we used regular expressions to capture if there's any allergies in the document. And the parent name is parent name. Parent's email is the email. Parent address is the parent address. Now remember, physician and cell phone are important. They have separate metadata, so they can filter. For example, a school district administrator can easily filter the physician, which students are going to that physician. So it's very easy to filter the database with the help of different a separated metadata template. The physician name is the physician name, and the cell phone is physician's phone. That's it. We mapped everything here. And now let's go to the next step. We already designed the finish and it's completed. Let's see what will happen when we capture the document. Remember, we set the verification enabled first, but now I'm going to change the document. So I just want to go directly to Box account. Let us edit the document settings here. I will skip the verification and let's set it. It's updated. Let's go to the upload section and select auto, and let's upload 2 documents so we can see the result in the system. Here, I already choose 2 of them. Uploading. Now I am expecting that Capturefast is going to take those 2 documents, will process automatically without any human interaction, and the data is going to be populated with the image file into the box. Let's see what will happen. We can follow the process through document section. You can see 2 documents is already captured, waiting in the system. Probably it is going to be processed in seconds. Okay, here you can see the 2 documents are transferred done. Let's go to the Box account and what happened. Let's see. Yes, these 2 documents automatically sent to Box folder. Let's open one of those. This one. Remember, this is the different one. The layout is totally different. And where is the captured data? Here, it's in the metadata. Look at that, the physician name and cell phone here, and the other details are here. The system do not have any code. Student name, last name, birth date, is everything perfectly captured. That's it. It is extremely easy to integrate Capturefast to Box. By the way, let's see how the metadata is going to be used. Let's go to search files here. You can see that if you have the business or enterprise plan for Box, you can choose the metadata tab and you can select your template. This is the emergency medical forms, and you can set any value with these fields. Let's set that. Let's use the emergency company, Oxford. I just want to search for the Oxford. The system is going to search and find the students in Union County with the company, with the insured by the company Oxford. This is one of those students. Let's open it and see the metadata. And you can see the insurance company is Oxford. The other one was Horizon, I guess.